All right, sure. All right. Let's see.
So, Lucas, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
I like Burger King. When you were serving up my fries and stuff, you look kind of tired.
Oh,
Is everything okay? Like,
yeah, everything is fine.
Nah.
I just remember eating your Burger King, bro.
eating my
Bro,
Burger King? What do you mean? I got a delicious ass burger, bro. What do you mean?
Half. You didn't recognize, but I ate half of it.
Oh, yeah, well,
Ah. All right.
if I was the CEO of Burger King, I would make a video where I would be eating a hamburger.
not.
that
All
the
right.
Burger King Lucas works at.
Yes.
Yeah,
But you know, the
okay.
best thing is I don't even have to become the CEO to do that because the current one already did.
What?
Actual schizo, I don't even understand any.
Anyways, I think
Steam app ID.txt. Is that really a good name, Lucas?
it needs to be called that.
What do we need to be called that?
Otherwise,
Bro,
Steam
you
won't
don't
find
understand.
it.
You don't understand it.
Steam won't find it.
Yeah, Steam.
Yeah.
So
wants
this
it.
is Valve's. It's Valve.
Yeah, this is Valve's doing. Hello, Penguin Operator. How are you?
Hello, she penguin. Yes, exactly.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
Penguin operator. Yeah.
Penguin Operator.
Lucas, you are lazy. Vim, user.
Yes, I am lazy.
And you're lazy.
Exactly.
And I'm lazy. What I want to do now is actually to do a. Wait, you can do that? Whoa, I didn't know you could do that. That's crazy.
Maybe you should show them your code that you totally wrote, Lucas.
Yeah, no. I actually did finish. I did polish it a little bit actually. It looks a little bit.
Could we
better.
see it?
Oh, do you dare to see it? Okay.
Yeah.
No. Extract. Boom.
Okay, so I already don't like what I see.
This is just for getting the. Most of it is just getting the chunks and submitting the chunks to be rendered, and then you
Oh,
have.
it's this thing. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. This is the entry stuff.
Enter? No, this is not
Yes.
the enter stuff. That was the
No, but
navigation
you have a
mesh.
thing on entry here.
Function.
Bro, you have chord and then you have entry. Also,
Oh,
what the hell
yeah,
is chord, bro? Is it
that's
like
coordinates.
a cable? No, bro. It's a
No,
cable.
chord is coordinate.
Bro, at least make the type be called coordinates, okay? If you make variables be shitty, sure, but type names, bro.
But coordinate, by the way, means like a point in 3D space, right? Like you have a coordinate .xyz, right?
Well,
Yeah.
latitude and longitude are technically two-dimensional, so
Oh,
those are also coordinates.
or wait, is it latitude and longitude?
No.
Oh, it's a point in
Nah,
3D space. Okay, gotcha. Okay, that's what a chord is. Gotcha.
Yeah. It's a music chord.
Yeah, we don't know what chord it is, you see.
Anyways, what we're gonna work on today is getting. I want to do cooldowns.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I haven't added the padding yet. But
Padding.
Yeah. Let's see. I think I had cooldowns at some point here, but I know I want to work on cooldowns. Oh, wait,
So how's macOS going?
Your quest?
No, how is macOS?
I haven't tried anything. Who are you talking to about macOS?
It's a macOS.
To me?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
To you. I know. You're crazy. I said there's highlights.
Yes.
But the collider is still awful on the teleporter.
Well, that's not the priority fix today, is it now?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
What are these yellow piss boxes? Is that like the piss containers that
yeah,
also carries around?
It's the piss container surrounded by blood.
Wow, what a great tutorial. Objective. Find the teleporter. Brother.
People didn't understand it when I started the game that they need to find the teleporter. I was like, alright, gonna make it a little bit cleaner.
Right.
But
Maybe you should clean up those particles for the items, because it still looks like grass.
No, when that becomes the main complaint, that's when I do it. It's not the main
Yeah,
complaint.
grass. I hate the grass.
Okay, well that's
See, now it's the main complaint.
Main complaint is that your ground isn't shaded.
Yeah, that's true. No specular highlights either.
like that. You mean? Let's put Fresnel on the so it looks like it's slippery and
Just put
shiny.
Fresnel on everything, bro.
Yeah, just to please T-Chef, you know.
Or you know what? Even
Yeah,
better.
true.
We add bloom to everything,
Yeah, true.
so it looks like source.
Hello,
Yeah.
Kayal. Has it been
Add
a year that
blue
you have
looper.
been developing the game? Not a year yet, but soon it will be a year.
It has been a year actually.
Has it been a year? Isn't it like 9 months?
Bro, the repo is like 11 and a half months old at this point.
No, what? It actually started before. Well, it was still like summer vacation last year. That's crazy.
Maybe you did. I don't know. Yeah, I
I
guess
don't
so.
feel like I did it then, but because I did the VR video on that. And then we did what did we do in between? I think we did something in between that also. Anyways.
Yeah, it was the Daemon thing and Unity stuff.
Yeah. Anyways, let's see. Because this is what this will be.
Action bar,
Mhm.
action bar, action bar, action bar.
Yeah, it's the
action
parent.
bar, action bar. And bro, you hate strings so much, but you still use them for this kind of shit, bro.
No, they
Are you
actually being
serious?
converted to an ID, in hashed basically. So it's
But
just
that it's still a string.
yeah, but for me it's fine because I'm not gonna be doing LSP for every possible item I'm gonna add to the
You know, this looks
UI.
very C++.
So you would go and add a enum for every single one that you're gonna add into this UI menu.
Now we make an enum literal.
That could actually work. But you don't always know. Some of these are generated on runtime.
But that feels like a shit design on your part, to be honest.
Well, player names. I'm supposed to predict every player who ever gets connected, I guess.
Why do you need UI for every single player, or like UI
Hello.
with like the
I'm
names?
supposed to predict everything that they can put in the chat. My bad.
Oh, that's what that's for. But why is?
He doesn't have a model for the game.
But,
Yo, what
Lubas,
up?
Lubas. Yo, what up? But your mic is very good, Tisha.
Yeah, your mic is awesome.
But Lubas, like, you don't need to have the UI. What? Don't you have a chat element?
Yeah, no,
And
no.
then
But
Like, bro, you don't
I use this-
name you don't make text elements and
No,
name them
I
exactly the
don't
player
know
names. bro.
that.
Because what did you cook with the UI?
Oh,
That's what I'm wondering.
it's supposed to be for the action items that you got, and then for the equipment.
Oh,
Yeah.
but I mean it's
But
an
actually,
improvement.
action bar.
The thing that's annoying me is that the one and the image of the item is just like outside the box of the item. But
Yeah, don't worry. They,
No,
they are
that's
not
a
even.
feature.
They are not even. They are like completely separate elements at this point. They are not even the same thing.
It's a feature.
Hmm.
So.
But I like the objective, find the teleporter. What if you find the teleporter?
Well, then you find it.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the outlines as well.
Yeah, that one.
But
But
not
the
there.
hitbox is super
No,
shitty.
no,
Look-
it's actually using
at the
a.
bottom
It's
now.
using a separate pass where it like. I send in
Yo,
to the.
you got even outline for chess? Wait.
Yeah. It's
Your game
Nah,
reminds
now
me
you
of
see how badly they're placed.
because
Stuck.
the server sends to the client what ID it's hovering, right? So then I can know when I do the rendering, I send which. Well, I could also highlight multiple entities if I wanted to. I could actually do it like this in the extract,
But the
right?
player is under the outlines. Right?
Yeah, that's what I'm still wondering. It's like I don't know if it's.
Yeah, it's scuffed.
Yeah, it's really scuffed, and also now you can see how badly placed the chests are.
Because I kind of like it. Sometimes it's like this, you know. That I kind of like that it's highlighted even though it's behind there. Like you got the whole thing. But this is the only place where I'm like, it's a bit weird. But then I have to start figuring out which ones do I care about.
Just add like a flag to your entity, like I don't know, like above
Yeah.
outline, And everything
Yeah.
with the flag just gets drawn after the outline.
I guess I could do that, but look, I could do it for that, like it's here when I submit the draw commands, I could do it for every single chunk. I could just say to be highlighted, it should apply. There, boom, now the whole planet is highlighted.
Bah. Oh, I didn't also see the terrain generation.
The terrain gen? Oh, it's...
I mean, I
it's-
saw it in the screenshots, but not in the gameplay.
Ah, that thing. It's...
You're describing, well, Lucas, obviously you need two tags. You're describing two types of highlighting, right? One that's, X-ray, you see through walls. The other one, which is occluded by objects. So you basically have two outline procedures in your shader, I guess. You have to have, and then you have a tag that says which one to use.
Yeah, but right now I think it's good enough for what I need to accomplish.
Yeah, sure.
I think I would rather fix the bullets before trying, or I don't know. I will see what
And the
people give
UI.
feedback and the UI, what people give feedback on before I would change that.
Because you have seen my UI, right? Yeah, how do you rate it? 10 out of 10, but
20 out of 40.
Like a 2 out of 40, yeah.
2 out of
10 out of
40
10.
is crazy.
Yeah, but that's on Chuck Norris scale, so Alria 1 is impossible. So you got 2 times the impossible.
No, this
Yes.
is not Chuck Norris.
This is Harold scale. Even a 1 is impossible. Nah.
Bro, basically outlining the planet right now.
Bro,
Yeah. Bro has it selected.
the planet selected. I will shoot it and it will be gone. There was that
Oh,
point.
but I see it's a very interesting effect. It's not like outline in
Yeah,
general, it's like different.
Yeah, it is basically doing a pass, so it gets the same kind of image that it would normally draw on, but it just takes in that's what it would draw, and then it's just, this is basically the only flag that I used. See that if I should draw this onto that, so it's just a mask basically, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, critical false.
Lucas, when Chuck Norris plays games, he just draws the outline in real time.
Oh, my bad. But I'm not Chuck Norris, alright? And then here, highlight this thing. So it's really this simple, just because this is when I then get the... then I send it through another one, where it's like this thing. And then I just get... Basically, I get the fragment, or the size of the fragment, right? And then I can just... With
I
this
see.
matte, I just basically color it.
So you basically see if it changes enough or what.
Yeah. So this is basically to see, we see the center here on this thing. And because it's just a mask, it's like black and white in that, or yeah. Am I saying that right? I think it's black and white, but it's a mask.
White and black. Yeah.
White and rather. So we can just get the center of this fragment, and based on that we can see that we are just coloring, we discard stuff that are like not on this edge, basically. And this also, or this makes sure that also we don't are fully submerged within here. So it takes both on the outside and inside of a
Yeah.
draw, basically.
When are you adding water? Water.
When that's the thing that everybody's complaining about, I think there's bigger problems before water.
I could help you with the water, you know.
I mean, would water
A simulation that runs on 10 FPS.
would water be kind of like, is that just shaders, or would you because I
It's
already
just
know
a fucking sphere, bruh. It's a sphere you put on your planet. If you want a water level, you just add a sphere. That's a water line. It's a little bit translucent. Boom, water.
Yeah, but I was thinking I don't even need a mesh for it, because the planet is always at some point and always with a radius, so I could literally use just shaders for it, and
Yeah,
make it look like-
just water it, bro.
Yeah.
yeah, just water. Just put water in your game,
But-
bro.
but-
What are you talking about,
Look up,
shaders?
Please, you're gonna, every shader you add is, adds time to your, not just compile time, but to the startup time, because every player has to compile the IR to their, add
Yeah.
machine target, right?
Is there like a smart way to just do one shader?
Yes, it's called not making bunch of fucking shaders. That's what it is. That's the trick.
Brother, but my shaders, they I guess I could just not.
Have a translucency like property in like basic Pragma. If you want stuff to be translucent, for example, if you want it to be highlighting, like that's the thing. You don't make a shader for highlighting specifically. You add it to because you want anything to be highlightable, right?
Well, I want to be able to
That,
select what can be highlighted still, but
you want to be able to select what can be highlighted.
yeah, because I don't want to highlight enemies. Unless you ping them, I guess, but not if you just look at them.
But just recall the reason we want to put everything in the same file is because it adds to our like startup time. Every single shader adds to our startup time. So that's why we would make these big fat mono like Valve does this. Where they used to when they make actually like release a game, they will do this, and they'll have like every single fucking effect is in one shader because swag like.
Huh.
Are you sure? Because I
Yes,
feel
I'm
like you
sure.
can't do it for everything.
No, you don't do it for everything, but you do try to minimize the amount of shaders you have in your game as to a pretty aggressive extent. That's if you don't care. If you're fine with like load times and stuff, you don't give a shit. That's fine. You can have as many
Yeah,
shaders as you want.
but I would say like I wouldn't say that we should worry about it now when it's not a problem, right? Because I feel like there are things that are
What?
way worse problems, like loading textures, font atlas, which you can move out before you do the shader stuff.
But there's no optimization you can do for loading the shader. It's a fixed boom. Now you have extra load time. You can never get rid of it with every single shader you add. Like every IR thing you ship, right? Like every compiled shader thing you ship, it's it has to be loaded at some point. Either you have to stop the game. God, what do you have to do to circumvent this shit? And if you want to, the reason you have a lot of shaders.
I wonder how does Unreal do it though, for example? Because
How does Unreal do it? They don't like Unreal has a bunch of fucking shit. It takes a super fucking long time to do your shit.
yeah, but that's to load the engine. But I wonder once you export the game, it's not like it doesn't take as long as to start the engine.
I mean, Lucas, what's your load
it can
time
be
right
pretty
now?
bad.
It's pretty long. Well, I mean, if you launch it on Steam, it's instant basically once it's compiled. In that sense.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Like it's I don't know, like I can't. Now it's gonna take forever when I launch it on Steam.
You should clear the shader cache as well because if it's cached, then it's obviously.
Let's see. I press play. Boom. it's pretty fast.
Well, yeah, because you're not
But the
doing
shapes are
any,
already compiled.
because you're sidestepping everything because you already spent the time to compile.
It's more about the load time because I don't need to recompile the shaders every time that I launch the application. I just do it right now. So if I didn't just recompile them every time, it would still be pretty fast.
Okay. I mean, I'm saying that I've seen a lot of projects that this issue becomes like very hard to reconcile if you start adding a shader for everything. I would say like the big thing I would kind of urge you to do is like be mindful of like what you add a shader for, because like again like this did not free and they're like not like having a shader can be efficient for some stuff, I guess, but like think about just remember that you're adding load time, and if you're fine with adding a little bit more load time, whatever that may be, then
I
just be mindful
really
of that.
don't know if it
all.
adds that much.
Also, I added
That's up to you to decide. That's up for you to, yeah.
I added a dash. Look at this t-shirt. Boom. Or teleported actually.
Damn.
Damn it.
Damn.
But
yeah, I don't know. I'm still working on a few things, but I want to add cooldowns right now to show the. I guess we would do the first box to be the main attack, pretty much. So this one is just here parent dot name. It's primary attack. I think I just called them Iraq. Yes, primary. I should call them just primary. Because I cannot assume that it will be an attack always. Primary. And then what we can do is that we could do... This one I'm fine doing children on. And that one will have a size of we'll have fixed of it could also be percent. We could do percentile. So percent.
Okay.
Am I doing this right? I think I'm doing this right. No, I'm not doing this right. It's like this. So somebody put me to sleep. Size percent it's equal to, and then we can do width equals 1, and then height is 1. Then we close that, close that, close that, and close that. That's crazy. And then it says that it wants a those, I think. Pretty sure, but it's not saying that it likes it, so it's not happy. What the fuck? Damn. Okay, I know this should work, but it's not working. What size? Like so. Right, and then we do want this there. That should be pretty darn good. Yes, good. And then it should be fine. We should be able to do this. Say color is equal to new 1001. And that should there, boom, exactly as I thought it would be. And then we could do a 0.4. We do need a comma there, otherwise this won't do. And 0. I think I did. Boom. So now there should be a little bit of transparency of the red one. Yeah, that's actually what I wanted. Pretty good.
How do I make the window bigger in Planetary Sigma?
What?
How do I make the? Oh, I have to. I can't. There's no. Okay. I just
Yeah,
have to use the.
There's no decorations.
Yeah.
But you can. There is an option for full screen inside of option.
And can't you add like a base to decoration? What if you had like in the top right corner you had like a triangle and that's the decoration, like a tab, so you can grab the window and move it and stuff. It should be based. It'd be completely different from the OS, but it'd just be based because that's actually the only thing you need. Like.
Yeah, Harold, my window manager guy is deafened. God damn it.
Well, fuck it then. Yeah, okay. But I found I got some funny stuff. Let me see. I got the outline and stuff, or the NL bullshit working, I guess. But let me see. I don't think it doesn't work on objects. Well, it kind of does, I guess.
I was thinking also about Pernell, but it was you cannot. I don't know. You can only work within the thing itself. You cannot work outside of it, or.
No. That's on the. It's in the fragment of the thingy.
Yeah.
See, but like one thing is to have like passes of like, I mean, since you're in control of the entire Vulkan pipeline, I mean, when I have you have a the big thing is deferred rendering, I think, for this stylized shit. So you would have data passes where you pass in data. We think, like we already have like position. We have like a position. I'm pretty sure. Stuff like that, and then there's a Oh God, what pass? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not quite sure, but like having like a effects pass afterwards can be useful as well. We have access to the what do you call it? Data, you know. So for example, we could do a distance field. So if you have a mask for the player, for example, you know, you could do a distance field to get an outline on the player or some shit. I don't know. Like,
But I thinking that's more post-processing. I think the filtering is more for like lighting itself.
what?
Isn't the filtering more like for lighting? Because that what you mentioned is more post-processing.
I mean, yeah, it's doing something to the you know the it's post processing. It's I don't know what you call it. Stuff that happens on to the scene afterwards, color correction, whatever have you. Like, for example, like you can make it the screen, like you know, in Breaking Bad when they go to Mexico.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make it like that. Like,
the Mexico environment. Yeah, I see.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, so that adds a ton to your environment stuff. Like, you know, to have color correction. There's a reason I think like game engines implement this shit. And it's literally just placing I don't know, having a color transform on your pass like HSL or some shit. But let me let's see. Um, I can give you the outline thing I got. It's on my branch, I think. Mesh.slang, right? So we go into shaders. This is shaders. File.
Okay, Yellow, are you still in the chat? I forgot to answer your question. Can I ask what do I think about Rust? I haven't used Rust that much. I think it's a bit... The little I've used about it, I just think it's a little bit overboard. A little bit. I like it. I do like to be explicit, but damn, that's different, bro. That's Sometimes when using Zig, I still wish I was using C because some things are just like I wish I just could do this thing that seems to be illegal, but it's just it's skill issue if you fuck this up. Let's see.
Can you check out my fork or whatever with
Yeah, I
the
can
mesh?
check it out.
Okay.
Is it a fork or is it actual like branch?
I don't know. I think it's a fork. I mean, however you contribute, usually it's like you can if you look on forks.
Go with forks there.
Top right, yeah, audiotrope.
Updated now. Which branch? Is it master or yeah? Do you
Yeah,
already have
master.
master? Do I already have you? Let's see. Oops. Yeah, I do. And then I do have already. Yes, this is the one. Wait, can I see git branch? I guess that will show git.
This master.
Well, I will do a git fetch. Git pull. Yeah, it's from yours. And just run it.
Yeah. It's a client and run it, yeah.
No, he's stealing all of my data. right? But the server won't be able to launch unless I compile the server as well. Hmm. File not found. Probably not the. Okay, let's try again. No, still okay. Return syscall fail. File not found. Open dear shaders.
Is that changed now? Wait. Frick.
Yeah, I changed where
Okay, so where do shaders live in renderer?
they live.
Or-
They live in the roots.
Root. Wait, what? What the fuck? Wait, what do you mean? So, oh, there's a shader directory in the
Yeah,
root?
there's assets shaders. There they should be.
They're in assets shaders, or is this not pushed yet? Wait, let me see. Look at so it's assets and then shaders, right?
Yeah, assets and shaders.
That's what. Wait, what the fuck? That's what's up on my branch. Huh?
Yeah, that's where you have them. They are there. Oops, shaders.
Yeah, but where are they supposed to be?
They're gonna have to be there. Yeah. Let's see, but it's from render graphic shaders 23. Oops. Renderer graphics and then shaders line 20.
This is pulling from your master, by the way, so anything that's in your
Yeah.
masters can be here. So if anything's on your personal branch, it's not going to be here.
Nah. It should be here though. I'm gonna do. I guess the shaders all should the first ones to be called. I'm gonna try assets shaders and see what that says. No, it's still shaders. Which is the open. This one returns and deer. What if I? Because I'm wondering. Okay, wait. Root. Open deer IO. Can I print the deer that it's trying to open? It should be here, trying to go from.
Wait, what the frick? Wait, what am I looking at? This relative top thing. Stuff. Candidates.
It goes one up, and then it should go another one. That should be still fine, even though it's. Let me take a look. Shaders. That's exact same thing that I got. For some reason I don't find your shader, the shaders on your part. What? Weird.
Are the shaders compiled? Is there a shader compilation step or something that?
They should
They're-
be.
So they're assets and this is weird.
Yeah, they are compiled.
Okay. Well, maybe if no.
Let me see. I want to see where does it. I'm gonna quickly do a cd lib. I didn't know that existed. I don't know even what it means. Can I print path of the directory that I got? I feel like that should be something I should be able to do. Root dot. I don't know. Handle won't probably give me anything good. Iterate open here stat. We do a stat. Probably to get something from that. That's the handle. IO. What can I do from here? Doesn't she give me shit? It's just a useless piece of shit. Nothing? Great. Let's take a look inside. Probably because I didn't need to do a try. We do have Nothing. Great. Path. Is there anything to next? How many hours do you work on it in a day? On this project, as soon as I wake up, I go to the gym maybe, and then I just keep on working on this all the time. Entry walker. I guess I could do that. I could iterate every single one of them and then print out the entry. I think that should be a better way. But yeah, so a lot of hours each day. A lot of hours. I just want to go live a little bit every day to talk a little bit and show a little bit, and especially also talk with cool people like Audiotrope and T-Chef and Harold. But they are deaf now, these traitors.
Mhm.
How could they?
Traitor.
We're gonna do this.
Just because I ate your cat doesn't mean I'm your traitor, whatever that means.
Tonight is chill. Tonight is chill. It is. Gonna capture entry. Harold hates my entries. I love my entries. If Harold hates them, I love him. It's that simple.
He's a smart kid. He's gonna be earning more than you in like what, 2 years, 5 years?
Yeah, he's too smart. I better bully him while I'm ahead.
Yeah, you better. Are you sure it's not some shader compilation? It's weird. Like some shader compilation step you have to run or some shit?
Name. I should be able to do name, I guess, on it. Entry dot name. I'm gonna check it out now. Let's see. So we're gonna go in here. We're gonna do a Zig run. Well, that didn't. What? Okay, wait here. Let's see. What did you call it? Path. Well, that's very descriptive. It seems like it goes through a D in it immediately. What? Or am I dumb? From physical device, and then it's D in it. Wait. We'll start a Vulkan, and I'm in creating instance, and it's been 2 days, and still not understanding the extension part. Am I should I go back to OpenGL? What's your thoughts? Should I keep going? I think you should keep going, not being too worried about not understanding everything. Like that's if you try to understand everything at once in Vulkan, I think you will be fucked. Because for me, I find out more when I have something interesting to solve about it, rather than getting caught up on every single. Because there's so much in Vulkan. Yeah, Vulkan is hard, but I think it's worth it. It depends. What's your goal? If you like, for me, it's just I want to use Vulkan, so I use Vulkan.
If you do it for the ego boost, keep going. If you don't, if you're a normal human being, then don't.
Like if you just want to make something that renders, I would say just use OpenGL or maybe even something easier. But that's totally up to you, man. Are we calling a D init? Because it seems to be triggering a D init. Render D init.
I'm gonna try to clone it into a fresh directory. Let's see.
Yeah, because a D init is triggered. Vulkan's hard. There is Vulkan specifications document. Yeah, I mean, I think it's more fun to run stuff and then it breaks and it gives you information in the terminal and then to find out through that what you're doing wrong. They do provide a lot of information with the layers. What are they called? Deep layer, just layers. So activate those. I guess if you're not even getting to that point, well then the fun hasn't begun. But reading the layers error is a lot of fun, at least I think, because then you can they provide the information you need, and then they even provide a link to the documentation where you need to read about it, and you can just figure out from there. And also, if it's confusing still to read Googling or using an AI chat to figure that out. It always knows.
What the frick? Weird. Wait. Temp. Yeah, by the way, Lucas, did you know that that the GLTF2 with the new extension is Turing complete? I mean, yeah, GLTF, exactly.
It's what complete? Huh?
Turing complete.
It's Turing complete.
Yes.
What do you mean Turing complete?
So Turing complete means that you cannot determine whether a program halts on it or not, because you can run programs on it now.
Oh.
There's a behavior graph, they call it. Extension is KHR _ interactive, I think. And it lets you define basically make a little game in your fucking GLTF file. It lets you define like behavior and inputs and outputs of your GLTF file. It's published for ratification, or it's submitted for ratification, I guess. Yeah.
By the way, the reason why this fails because we're calling render dinit at some point, and then it's just from there it's breaking. Let's see, go to reference.
Okay, I'm trying to build from a fresh clone, see if I get the same error.
Yeah. Render init.
It compiles. No, I get the same failure. Yeah, I get the same failure if I just clone it. That's interesting.
Yeah, we do call an error dinit on Vulkan here. I should probably, but it should return. It shouldn't try to initialize the assets. It seems to go through initialized assets even though there's an error. That's interesting.
File not found. File not found. Surely this is way simpler than we're making it, right?
Yeah,
like,
but the weird part is that if we de-initialize the render, we shouldn't even get to the point of trying to initialize the assets.
What?
So that's interesting.
Render dinit. Yeah.
I did, but I want an opinion of people who use Vulkan. I think you need why are you using Vulkan? I think that's more important to know than what somebody else thinks. Did you start Vulkan 2 days ago? I mean, honestly, the best Vulkan tutorial, in my opinion, is still vulkantutorial.com. There is no better one. Even though it's like, how old is this thing? 10 years, great. It's old. It's very old, but it's the best one. Like every other one is just. I just get more confused trying to read those than. I will send it there in the chat.
These are roots, open dir, IO shaders. Let's see.
But that's weird that it crashed on this thing because it's. I'm pretty confident that it shouldn't even get to this point in that case. Let me try to do a.
Maybe we should look at the diffs, the entire diffs of this compared to working master, right? Because I think the only change should be the shader file, right? Let's see. 9 commits ahead, and the other changes I have is I have assets in weird locations and stuff, right?
Yeah, but that shouldn't really matter. It seems interesting.
No. What the fuck?
Actually,
what is happening?
How is? Because we do get the. Oh wait, it's. Oh no! It makes sense. I'm a donkey. I'm a freaking donkey. Oh.
Wait, yes. What is this? What is this?
Because no. It makes sense that it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, why? Okay,
because the render does initialize properly. The problem is that this thing fails and then it does an error for the init of the render, and that's why this thing is happening here. Okay, I'm a But it does do, yeah, file not found. Which file is it? It's just not, this thing is not succeeding. It's not
It
succeeding.
doesn't tell you what file it
It's
didn't
not,
found.
it's not sucking seeds. It's not succeeding. Sorry. Wait, but
Is
that,
it,
I assume it's probably like it has to be the path shaders here.
Mm.
I'm gonna try to do this. Oops. Why? Okay, boom. I'm gonna take shaders down and I'm just gonna initialize textures first, see if it complains about textures then.
Nah, ain't no way, son. Nah,
Let's see.
it can't be it.
Yeah, it's textures now. So it is not your shaders that's the problem. It's somehow doing the wrong directory.
Huh. But, okay, I guess.
Wait. It's been weeks. No, 1.1. First look at how to Vulkan. Yeah, I didn't like the Vulkan 2. Well, which? No, that one was, I guess, I don't know. No, it wasn't that good. I used that, but it's either a dump or just hard. I mean, if you read documentation of OpenUI, it's very direct and easy. I guess, yeah, oh, low key. Do not look at 1.0 or 1.1 Vulkan tutorials. Modern is... But there's actually not many, like... There are people still who are stuck at 1.0 and 1.1, so I wouldn't say it's that bad. I think that's still where you should look at. Yeah, 1.0 and 1.1 are render passes, and I don't think you there's a lot of other fancy features that you don't get, but still many devices do not support. 1.0, I think you can't really, it's really hard to find somebody. And 1.1 should also be quite widespread. But out of the 1.2, I think you're starting to get a little bit tight. I don't know, I don't really have the stats on that one, but I have, at least in my experience when I have given it out to people, is that the lowest one I have found is 1.0 and 1.1, the same person. It was, on Windows it was locked at 1.0, and then he tried my application on Linux, and then it was 1.1. Interesting, wasn't it? But how can I get to print the deer? I wanna print the deer. The deer. Let's see, but it does find, I mean, it does find something from here, otherwise it wouldn't be break path found, open directory. So I mean, it has to do std log debug. No, I'm gonna do an error because it's easier to read in the console. Path with capital letters, and then no, fuck, and then we're gonna do a found. Fuck. Oh. Okay, now. Let's see, what does it find? Path is... yeah, I guess, but... wait, is it because... Does it need the prefix of a backslash? No way it needs one. Subpatch should already give that, right? Ain't no way.
Happens if you...
Nah, it's still fucked.
Or
Why?
if you look in the directory, are the shaders compiled yet?
Yeah, the shaders are compiled. It's just trying to open the directory. It's not even trying to do anything else. It's not even trying to get a shader. It's just.
Yeah, I'm just curious. But they're not. But are they hidden from your Explorer or something, or
No.
like there are 5 files?
No. Yeah, in NeoIm they are hidden, but they are there. I checked.
Okay, good.
Let's see. 1.4 is supported even 2015 years of devices. Will that make it easy to understand? You will finish it in a few hours. I mean, I think if you're searching for the word easy, is not. You should.
Consistent.
You should search for what do you want to do, because I think that's more fun to engage in. Doesn't matter if it's hard then, and then it becomes hard, becomes easy if you know what you want to do. So if you want to do Vulkan, I think you will start to find ways that makes it pleasant no matter what you're up against. But if you're trying to get a renderer as quickly as possible, then Vulkan will definitely just be a pain in your ass. Unless if you want to make it through Vulkan, then you will have fun doing it. Look at other tutorials that say 1 point... but there are no good modern Vulkan tutorials. They are all ass. They all suck so fucking much.
Wait, you've seen them all?
Well, the ones that I have gone through, yeah, they suck. They suck so much. I hate them.
Let's see. Shaders.
But
Can't panic.
Because I mean, it obviously has, because it goes through here and it finds it, so that's the success. It does find just assets, but then inside of assets it doesn't find shit. It's like I don't know what we're talking about anymore, which is strange because there is definitely shaders inside that folder. Go Chronos website, look at click tutorial section. I have been there, but I haven't found one that is good. You will see new modern. Yeah, I have seen the modern ones, and I think they are worse. But let's see if there's new ones. Chronos webs. Do you have a specific? Did I do there? Not that one.
Can we step through the build process?
Let's see. Wait, I'm gonna quickly. Is it learn tutorials? Because did I?
Oh, to Vulkan.
Yeah, this one I have seen. I think. Yeah, no. Let's see, because I remember was one of these that was just okay. No, wait, is this one? Have I seen this one? Maybe I haven't seen this one. One of them, this one maybe is new, but
root. So what is root directory again? By the way, is it just the It's not what has the build.zig. Does build.zig have the root?
Which section are we talking about?
I'm talking about build.zig in the client when it references root. What would you call it? Because we have this compile shader step. We're saying root. What does it say? What does it say?
No, but this part works because we are getting the compiled shaders. They are there. Otherwise, that like we could even, if I go into assets here, let's see the shaders. There we got the SPV. If I were to do this, and then I guess that's the wrong thing to do. We could do it the other way around. Go here. Wait, this shaders. This just then here we'll do that and that and that. Okay, good. Can one rm dot spv is that
shaders.zig.
So now there is no,
okay.
And now if I try to compile, it will not. They should not show up. Oh wait, this is. I mean my own thing, brother.
What? The fuck?
I was in my own directory. Haha, that's so funny.
Yeah. So
I was supposed to be in this one. And am I now even a right client? There.
So this is shaders dir try to do root. What is root then? Wait, let me find out.
Root should be the root of the whole project.
A whole project.
Mm-hmm.
So like, okay, gotcha. But how does
you go into assets from there and then you compile the shaders.
But there's no build.zig in the root the root of the entire. Isn't it the root of the module?
Wait, are we talking about which root are we talking about?
I don't know. I don't know. I'm looking at shaders.zig.
Yeah, that is the root of the project.
Okay, so that's a root of the project.
Yeah.
Wait.
Or it should be, because
Shader.
otherwise it wouldn't find assets. That would be weird.
Yeah.
Let's see, I'm gonna go into assets, and I'm gonna do here cd shaders, and then we can just RM. SPV.
Yeah, so init.
So now if I build, there
yeah.
should be no shaders, and now it would definitely make sense that it doesn't find anything.
It'd be fun if you try one of these things that's supposed to break in, it just works. But...
And let's see, yeah, so, and now if I do ls, there's no one of them, and then I put back the shader compile stage, and we build again.
Spur root close.
And now if I do
There we
ls,
go.
now the spur V's are there, so it is working. I'm gonna put the audio back on.
Okay, root equals try. No. Root is something else here. Root is assets open there. What the fuck does this mean? Huh? We have on line 21. We have const root is try open dir io. Right, assets open dir, and assets is assets/root.zig. Okay. But there is no root.zig. Doesn't exist.
No, root.
Bro, look at the const assets in the shaders.zig. It's on top of the shaders.zig. Go to shader.zig. And go to scroll to the top. Look, there's no assets/root.zig, right?
No, but it's well there. We have this one, but that's not the one that you should refer to. Or there's
Because
this
your
one as
Discord
well.
stream is
It's looking from top level, right?
What did
From
you
I mean
say?
for the root of the.
Wait. Harold, what did you say about the stream?
very bad, but also like audio like the current working directory is like where the build script is, right? But the asset server can load like stuff that is one folder like down, I guess, up. I don't know.
But we're trying to open a directory that doesn't. We're trying to open a subdirectory of root.zig.
Oh
shit.
wait, let me see. It
I
could
don't get
be.
it. Like
wait,
I don't get.
Let
that,
me-
that doesn't make any sense.
Let me rename this one to. Just gonna do this. Ah, okay. It's finding the client assets and it tries to load the shaders from there, and that doesn't work.
Yeah. Okay. But yeah, here's outline and stuff. It's very simple. We look at the guy.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Very nice. It looks like cartoonish.
Yes, it does.
No man, Lucas' stream is just failed to start. For me, that is. But
You mean on Discord or on where?
Discord.
We disabled it for. We
Oh
disabled
no, it's
it.
fine. It's
for
fine. It's
me.
fine.
Okay, it's fine. It's
What?
fine.
Why does the game look so much better now? What did you do?
I didn't do shit. It's the
Added
audio. who did
outlines,
everything.
basic outlines to the
Ah.
enemies. Amazing. Or not even to the enemies, just to meshes in general.
Yeah. Ah, I'm about to
Yeah, it
die.
looks way better. You know.
It does look. It does look like you increased it by 300% at least. The quality
Yeah, I
of
don't know
the-
about I don't know about the planet having it really, but
Yeah.
Benboso and the other guys, yeah, bro. That
I'm gonna try it on a
That
bigger
looks
Make
planet.
awesome.
it had a parameter for making it for changing the intensity on it, I guess.
Wow, this is a bit trippy. Oh, but you have still
Yeah,
the
on
old.
the planet.
He has the old shadow for the planet. That's why it also looks a bit funny, I think. Or
Yeah.
I don't know. Is this the shadows working or is the?
No, that's the outline. Yeah, that's the Fresnel shit.
It is,
So what
bro.
what you're
Disable
looking at is,
Fresnel on the planet.
yeah, it's just a dot, literally a threshold on the dot product between the view direction and the world normal. That's it.
Yeah, it looks
Okay.
1,000 times better now.
Wow.
A little bit funny on the
Yeah, and
planet.
this is zero effort, by the way. This is zero effort. I don't even know slang, right? Like, think about what a modicum of effort into, stylizing the game is could look like. There's your incentive to, I don't know, jack off I don't know, man.
There's
Little
like a
bit-
game that was that looked like it looked really good, right? And then when they released 1.0, it looked way better, bro. I don't.
You could make the, but yeah, that should be a parameter. Let me think. So how do you do shader parameters when you pass stuff into the shader?
You can either do in the push constant, if you want a custom push constant for it, or you could do, well, it always depends a little bit on what you can also do in
Because it's a uniform.
Yeah, you
I
can
want
do
to pass in a uniform.
You could do that, or you could also sometimes, for example, with the UI, I have stuff in the actual vertex to indicate stuff. But it depends on like which stage you're working on and what you actually want to accomplish. I guess for you it's just a fragment. So
Yeah,
you could.
we want to. We want to add basically a float, I think, from that's gonna be in the range of like 0 to 1. That's gonna let's see, that's gonna give us like completely outlined, being like the entire thing just has the outline color.
Well, yeah, but this would then be, I guess, already on the model that you push, right?
Yeah, on the model. Yeah, it's
So,
gonna be on the model.
I would do it on the push constant in that case, because that one already comes with the model matrix as well. So it wouldn't make sense.
Push constant. Where do I find the?
That one should be in the. Oh shit! Actually, I might have moved it, but it should be in the frame. Frame data. What do I call it?
Oh, Lucas, I bet you don't even have a modular thing for the push constants. You're probably just hard coding them.
Well, I mean, you
That's
somehow.
based.
How the hell are you supposed to make them modular? you need to
Yeah,
tell
what
it
if
what.
people want to write their own shaders? True.
Bro. I'm gonna send you code for my push constant implementation. All right.
All right.
Let's see.
It'd be cool, actually. I don't know.
He's gonna send me his stuff.
He's gonna send him. He's gonna send him.
He's gonna send me to Jesus.
Okay,
Send
push
him to
constant.
Jesus.
I'm gonna
Let's see
continue
here,
on with the
bro.
cooldowns here in the meantime. You guys do
Yes.
whatever you guys are doing.
Oh.
Primary
Now-
cooldown, utility cooldown.
Okay,
equipment
here you go,
cooldown.
Liber.
Have you checked the GP Direct to? What is GP Direct?
Oh yeah, they released a new video like 5 hours ago. If you search, well, I don't know if you want to look at it, but you know the graphics programming server, they make a video every year just showcases.
Ah, no, I haven't.
Yeah, I haven't seen it either. I saw it recommended.
So
But
wait,
Harald, do you know where the like? I want to add a uniform for each model, right? Like that can change the size of the outline.
Well, yeah, push constant. I don't know how
So-
Lucas. Lucas, do you have like one shader for meshes or?
I do
Yes,
have.
it does.
I do have like the world
Okay.
push concept, which is kind of like the generic one. But
Because we want one float for each, like
We want the
object.
one with the mod. We want the one with the model matrix and all of that stuff.
yeah, that's the world one.
Yeah,
Is there
you probably
only
wanted
one?
to.
Oh, okay. Wait, so then it's the thing with the model is push constant. Oh, there's just one called push constant. Oh, okay, gotcha.
What? No, wait. Should I actually call one just one? No way, I just call one just push constant. That shouldn't be any.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you do.
based,
Ain't no way.
Luber, it's the most you thing ever. Also, look at the code I sent you, bro.
Wait, I gotta quickly look
let's
into the what am I trying to
let's
look
see.
into? I want to look into something. I forgot what it was. That's
Look
great.
into these.
Yeah, I wanted to look into there. This thing. Because I do here are the push no, I don't have anything called push constant. I have world push constant and UI push constant. Particle push
Or do
constant.
you?
But I don't have push constant. I do have push constant as a type, but they just that you pass it into the push constant and it just works when it push constant you push it.
You have a type?
Yeah, I
One
use
type.
types. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, where can I say this? I'm surprised you use a type.
Oh,
Where?
the push constant.
Inside of the renderer, of course.
Yeah.
Where else?
Yeah, where else would it be? Internal here. Where is it?
Internal, even better.
Yes. Let's go to. Don't even remember where the fuck. Should be. Wait, I'm gonna go to the resources because
That could be touch.
I
Okay.
know I do it through there. Where's resources? Am I blind? Resources there.
Let's see.
Oh, this file is a mess.
How dare you?
How dare you?
How dare
I'm insane, bro.
Yeah, actually shaders. Shader, there, boom.
Okay, so shader, where is the push constant at, bro?
Wait. I know I do it. Where the fuck do I do? Oh wait, no,
What
I
a
changed.
shit.
I changed it.
Innan
I just
organ-
realized I changed that also. I used to do it, but I don't do it anymore. Oh,
Well, push constant size. And you do
Yeah.
shader.get kind push constant size.
Let's see.
What the actual fuck?
no, I used to. Yeah, I used to take in kind in here and then do at size, but I changed it.
Can I assign?
Oh, that's really shitly, but
Thank you.
look at the thing I sent you.
Right.
Yeah, that's why,
Facing.
because I do that here instead, because I got all of the data or like declared here.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
really dumb.
Shut up.
Constant
It was
local.
something to do with I don't remember. There was a reason with it that I changed it like that. But...
Yeah, really dumb reason probably.
Nah, fuck you.
Because this looks retarded.
It
vertex
works. Shut
output.
up.
You know what, Lubas? Lubas, I know some code that gives off the same energy. It's like if you do like if and then like A equals 1 and B equals 1, then you return 2, you know? And then
I'm gonna continue on
if
with
you-
my shit and let Harold flame in the background.
and then if A is 1 and B is 2, then return 3, right? Yeah, and then
But we have to edit the
you know,
if we want to access stuff in the pixel shader, we have to edit the vertex output, right? Because we have to edit what the data that goes into the fragment.
You yeah,
Do I
you
add
have,
it as a parameter?
you can like in the there's an out structure basically, right? And you just add
Yeah.
that. That's what you do. So
There's a vertex
Lubas,
out.
look at the thing I said you. This gives the same energy as whatever you had there before.
this guy. So there's a vertex out.
Did you look at it,
basically.
Lubas?
Yeah,
I saw it. And you just specify what you would like to pass into the fragment. There is also like an option to do that that every fragment of this same vertex basically will not be interpolated. I don't know what was the
yeah.
you can make it like that. I don't remember.
This is gonna be uniform.
Yeah, if you want to keep it uniform, But there's like a
No,
you-
we absolutely want it uniform, so we don't put it in the vertex output, right? We add it as a parameter.
No, wait. You well.
Right? Wait, or do we want to have like a non-uniform outline or some shit? Like
the depends. Like what do you want to do? What do you want with this now?
what I want to do is to be able to change the outline size. So, for example, if you don't want to
Yeah.
outline, you put it to 0.
Yeah.
And if you want the big outline, and then this gives us some.
Just put it in the push constant, and then I think you need to put it in the
Float.
vertex out.
Okay, sure. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
do that. Do it
Vertex
separately.
out. Yeah. You need to put it in vertex out.
Or whatever you call that thing, but yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. So it goes in push constant and vertex out.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then it goes in fragment in.
Mm-hmm.
No, but with slang you don't have you just have it already as a structure that comes in, so you don't have any.
Oh right, yeah, I forgot that it's one file. Like
Yeah. So much better. I'm telling you guys.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. Sig shader is the best one actually.
Well, I haven't tried Sig shaders.
Just write
Yeah,
Spur 5.
me
It's
neither.
super readable. Have you ever looked at Spur 5, like text format?
No, I don't.
Super
No.
fire, honestly.
Uh,
I haven't.
Should I just write Spur V5 instead of
Yes,
GLSL?
yes. Look at it. You can read it. I can read it better
Okay.
than Zig, bro.
Spur V5.
Text format. Yeah. It's
Text
actually
format.
super good.
Let's this, bro. I swear, if this is just Rust. Okay. GLSL. That I think I'm in the wrong place here.
I want
Bro,
to
I
do
need code.
Let's see, because we do get triggers. That's where I would like to process it.
Trigger.
Hey, yo. But those are right now only used for in the animation.
Okay, I see the readable version here of Spur V5. This looks like shitty Wasm 5 or Wasm 3. I mean, sorry.
Do you want to do this in here? I mean, I do have access to animate outside anyways, inside of systems, but then
You know what, Lucas? Just hard code the models in the renderer.
That's what we're doing, isn't it?
Hard
Are we
coding.
dynamically loading something? What the fuck? Okay, I'm
Yeah,
done.
no,
I'm done.
like
Out of here.
we-
Fuck off.
Lucas,
No.
like you should just like embed the model inside of the shader.
And can't the entire renderer just be one shader? So you have
somebody
your
did
game
a
state
game
as a
using only the
individual
GPU. It was pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Only the GPU.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, someone did that in Minecraft too.
You can have you can have a state because you can have a back buffer or frame buffer, right? Like you can just store a buffer with your state, and that's your state.
But with only the GPU, so how did they open a window?
They open the window.
No, the game runs on the GPU. Like they're just using like compute shaders and whatnot for the logic.
But
Okay, Octavio,
I didn't
you-
look. You didn't look into the source code, but I just saw the thing. I was like, okay, cool.
but you're saying it's not only the GPU. It's mostly
They
the
run
No,
the
you
game
cannot-
on the GPU, bro.
But
Congratulations, Harold.
no. Because the
Harold,
window
you
is a
cannot
part of the
turn off-
GPU.
You cannot turn off your CPU and your computer will keep working. No, you cannot do that.
No,
CPU will be
Harold,
running.
you cannot
Yeah.
do that.
I know.
Bro, congratulations, bro. Congratulations. You finally understand.
He unlocked common sense, guys.
Bro.
No, but hear me out.
Alright.
Technically, the window is a part of the game, right? Because without the window, the game doesn't exist, right? And the window you cannot do on the GPU, right? So I mean, I think it's
You need to have a kernel to
90% the GPU, right?
Yeah.
And also
Okay.
they have to open like Vulkan stuff, or was it OpenGL or
No,
something? Because you still
okay.
have to do the calls, you know.
Okay, we could do something
How about-
scuffed here. I think it could work. I'm gonna go with that. You know, I like
You're
stuffed.
scuffed.
Yeah, I know. I don't
How
know.
about our program copies something from our from the GPU buffer, or however memory gets mapped to like however the CPU accesses memory that the GPU writes to, right? Have that be just mapped straight into the fucking stack pointer or some shit. Like have it be mapped strictly
Stack
to
pointer.
like have it mapped so we can make instructions from the GPU, right? So we can execute from GPU output, right?
And we can
Yeah,
start talking.
problem GPU, like the people who make graphics cards, at least the companies, they be acting like it's 1980 and they have closed sourced everything. So good luck with that.
You can black box test stuff.
Every single graphics card, yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean you
Well,
can.
no. Okay, I didn't say running on the game won't be running on every GPU. It will be running on my GPU. Okay, it's a 4070, perfectly good 4070.
4070.
Yeah,
Oh, I don't know.
4070,
Good luck with that.
4070?
Jesus.
Bro wakes up. Bro really wakes up.
40. Clip it.
Wait, what were we talking about? I just came back.
It just came back to 470, bro.
Yeah, that's too far.
Are we talking about a graphics card?
No, we're talking about the CPU, bro.
Wait,
Hmm.
okay. Yeah, we're talking about CPU. We're talking
Yeah,
about
so
doing this
Lubas was talking about someone made a game using only the graphics card or something, he said. But that is literally impossible because you can't initialize a Vulkan instance on the GPU.
Bro. The Raspberry Pi 4, right, when I made the operating system for it, the way it boots up is literally that the graphics card starts before the CPU, and the graphics card then initializes the CPU.
That feels like a Lucas workaround, to be honest.
What?
You want to know a Lucas
I would
workaround? Let me tell you
never.
about. Do you know the newest
Mm.
Pi Pico? The newest Pi Pico chip. It has a RISC-V architecture chip inside of it. So it has
Sounds risky.
Yeah, it has two cores. Okay, it's got an ARM core and it's got a RISC-V core, and you choose at startup which one you boot into. You can't use both at the same time. Like you cannot. You need to choose one to use. So
I don't want any of them.
So, like, imagine you're having all like cores in your CPU. You can only use one at a time.
Mhm.
Wow, that's really smart.
Yeah, it's actually very, very smart.
I was sarcastic. Why did they do that?
For cost reasons, I think. Like, I genuinely don't know. I think. I mean, I think there's some business like thing behind it. Like, oh, it's cheaper if we want to have we want to have RISC-V support, but we can't make the entire chip just be that because we have so much shit that depends on ARM. So we can have kind of support for it, but only if you're only going to use RISC-V. And like
I
they
mean,
don't
okay,
want
well,
to.
I mean, it's kind of nice, I guess, that you can choose whether to have ARM or RISC. But it's kind of dumb also. But you know,
You're wasting a
Still-
lot of die space. Kind of.
sure.
You're also like imagine
Yeah.
the more powerful chip you could have. Let's see.
Do I have another one? I do have.
I mean, I think for the case of like whatever that was called, I'm guessing you would only really have like one piece
The
of software on it.
switch. Wait, what the frick? Wait. Is it an eFuse or something that decides it? I think it's an eFuse or some shit.
If you
Wait, is it?
what?
No. I can experiment natively with RISC-V without buying expensive specialist hardware. The Hazard 3 cores are extremely efficient and deliver
You can just make an interpreter for RISC-V if you really want to use it.
For advanced users, you can use this setup where you have one ARM core and a RISC-V core. What? Wait, that's crazy. It's on like on disk DLC, but like, hello guys, we came up with a new update. Now you can use all of the cores on your CPU. Congratulations.
That's average for
Yes.
Windows updates.
Yeah, it's absolute fire. I should make a computer that has 8 cores in it and make a shell script to only allow processes to use like one core or some shit, and then
Then you can have 8 processes at least.
That's
Yeah.
pretty fire.
I don't know. I mean, that's how they did it back in like the 90s, right?
Yeah, probably did.
back in the 90s they had the one thread or one core, and you had 8 processes running on it.
It's a bit funny, but it will do. It will do it
Nice.
for now.
Lucas's app, if it was single core, would be still as fast.
It would.
Lucas has 8 processes to run one task, I think.
Yeah, Lucas has 8 processes for Planetary Sigma.
And 7 of them are idling,
Yeah, there is wasting
and 6 of
resources.
them are.
Did I take the controller already earlier over
The controller. Oh yeah, Lucas, how's controller support coming along?
The troller.
You guys take it over controller support? Nah.
Bro,
If I send you-
the
I will send you
Bro.
a free PS3 controller, a crusty PS3 controller if you
Really?
add a controller. No, Harold.
Oh, bro.
You cannot do this to this guy. You cannot.
Wait, Harold, would you actually do it if you got a free PS3 controller? Would you add controller support to Sigma?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, if it has like a USB adapter or
Yeah,
something.
It's just it's a micro USB or whatever.
Yeah, well, let me check. I think my computer has one extra. Yeah, I have one extra USB spot.
It's literally cheaper. I think it might be honestly cheaper to go just on Blockit or some shit and like get search for PS3 controller on Blockit. Like literally just buy one, bro.
Yeah, I don't want to go pick up one though.
Yeah, no, that's true.
I'm probably gonna have like vomit on it or some shit.
Yeah, bro. Let me tell. I bought a Nintendo Switch Lite from a guy who was missing a hand, bro. No joke.
Bro,
I'm dead serious. Dead serious at Övre Husargatan in Linnea. I literally bought. I got.
I literally went, I
car
got,
drove
I
by.
went, I came.
Yeah,
Yes.
guy came out of the car. Okay, he had an IKEA bag, you know,
Yeah.
and he had a Switch in it, and he had and it was like winter, and he pulled back his coat. And it's like he had one hand, and the other hand was like, you know, it was like amputated or some shit. It was
Bro, I'm
not
a
even
pirate, I swear.
amputated. It was like misgrown. It was like he was born without a hand. That was clear. Okay. But how is he playing a Switch? This is a handheld console. How are you playing this with?
It bites the one of the controllers.
What? It bites down, I guess. Maybe you can play with your feet or something. I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
but it's like actually you will. But bro, I got it. And
I think I got this
like, 2
wrong.
games.
It's almost
that's
like
nice.
working the cool.
What are you doing?
I tried
Oh,
that.
bro. What?
But you know, guys, if I wanted a controller, I could just buy one from like Temu that's some slave made in China for like $2 or something.
Nice.
Actually, that's way too much. I could probably get it for free.
You can just steal one go to Stadsbiblioteket and steal one.
Do they have controllers there, bro?
Yeah, they have video games at Stadsbiblioteket. Are you unaware of this?
Bro, what kind of video games they have there, bro? Fortnite.
They have PS4 games. They have basically only PS4 and Xbox One games, I think.
Right. So,
I mean,
yeah.
no one uses physical games anymore. I don't know. They should have like a digital game service if they want to loan out games. But obviously, like libraries are archaic, and it's kind of cute to be honest that they're like, oh, you can borrow video games when the whole entire video game industry is built on like turbo toxic subscription cancer slop. You own nothing.
Hey.
They probably sue the shit.
Yeah, probably. I should just go there and just ask, can I buy the controller for $2, please?
Guys, it doesn't work, man.
Yeah, I
You know,
think I
Donna
also-
actually asked about controller support, but then I said I don't have anything to test on, but he can do
I
it
have
himself
one.
if he wants. Yeah, well, do you know how to do Wayland and X11 and Win32?
No.
No,
I think I got
exactly.
these things
But I know
wrong.
Vulkan.
Yeah,
You
well,
know
that's
Vulkan.
something at least. What did you say, Luber?
I think I got something wrong here.
Yeah, well, okay, well,
primary
we know
cooldown.
you always get something.
UI colors.
Yeah, the UI
Yeah,
colors are wrong.
besides the
indeed.
UI guys, you know I'm not a artist, alright?
No,
I'm
you're
also not an artist.
Yep.
Yeah, you're not.
Hello. Yeah, no, but like I was saying, I love
What?
EA and I love Microsoft. I would never say anything bad about them.
That's
I
good.
don't.
That's good. They would say
I
bad
don't,
about you though, I'm just saying.
What?
Mm.
What?
Yeah, well, if you really love EA, did you play their latest game?
What's the EA's latest game?
I don't know.
Who is the
No.
EA?
EA,
is
you know,
the-
EA has office in Gothenburg. You know, you want to work there, right?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
I should
yeah,
go bomb them. I mean, I should go visit them. And then say
You
hello.
should go bump.
Uh,
Why is my
Don't-
utility
that's the
cooldown
joke.
not
Okay.
doing the thing it's supposed
Or
to
is
be
it?
doing.
No, it's not. It's not. It's definitely not a joke. This sounds like a real thing.
Utility.
Yeah. I'm,
Who played that?
who played what?
Yeah, I wonder. Okay.
Bruh, Lucas stream, try not to have one bomb threat. Like.
Yeah, for real,
Yeah,
for real.
try not to get swatted challenge.
I. No.
Oh wait, I need to still divide by. What do I need to divide by? By the thing.
Zero.
It's I cannot clamp it like that. No. Mm-mm-mm.
You can go min and the max, Lucas. Don't clamp it, min max it.
Well, that's the same thing.
Rounding.
No, because you're min maxing.
Shut up.
No.
just like shut up to Harold. Like he's not done anything. Just shut up, Harold.
Well, I mean, I'll take that over shush at least. So I mean,
Shush.
it's improvements, upgrades, upgrades.
I feel like this should work, but am I just not getting the error messages that I'm depending on? Wait, hold on.
Oh yeah, the little error messages that say nothing that you
Yeah,
usually have. Yeah, those ones.
Okay,
Wait,
I
to
think
do
it never
shade-
compiled.
wait,
That's
wait,
why
wait.
it was problematic. Okay, now it should work. It didn't. What the fuck?
Did you push the change for the asset thing that was broken?
I just commented. I renamed your assets
Comment out all.
inside the client, and it worked because it didn't. It apparently found
Wait, you renamed what inside client?
the assets folder.
Rename. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, they just put it to something
Why
else.
does it keep walking? Wait, you've specified the directory and it can't find it, and then now it will keep walking and look outside
Yeah,
the
it's
directory. or something.
somehow it found a client one. So okay, I guess make it sense,
yeah, fine,
but yeah.
Okay, so hear me
Make a lot of-
out. I was the one who made the logic, right? But I never anticipated that Lucas would have multiple assets folders. All right.
No, I didn't.
Ah,
All right. Like
Oh.
Multiple
Oh,
assets folders. What
I don't
did
know
I
if
just
it-
hear?
yeah, I don't know what Lucas is doing at this point, bro.
I'm scratching.
Bro, are you making a
you can't-
museum or what?
Yeah.
there's like there's an expression in medicine. You can't cure stupid.
But you
Oh,
sure
you can't.
can cure stupid with a subscription.
Help Lucas now today by donating money.
You can
Yes.
make as nice of a. You can design. You can have as many focus groups. You can have as many slop user tests as possible, but you can't design for Lucas. I don't think so.
Okay, now at least the
No.
primary attack gets its cooldown, but why doesn't the shift get its?
Cool, very nice. Congrats.
Yeah,
Yes, that's actually looks really good.
Thank you.
What looks good?
My-
Oh, this
my-
looks really shit.
What?
Damn, I love these cooldowns.
This,
Yeah.
you know, your game looks kind of like Homestuck. Do you know what that is, Lucas?
I have
Are you
no
old
idea
enough
what
for that?
Oh.
Yeah, don't
You know
Google
your
it.
game looks like dog water when Harold sees it.
So just don't let Harold see your game, and it's good. It's good.
Yeah, exactly.
He's
Where's my
copying
thing
Homestuck
work?
right now. What the fuck? Wait, this is just Homestuck. Damn.
Bro, imagine you're stuck at home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love the when they stun enemies, they get that T pose. I haven't done another stun animation. They're just like T posing. The healers are healing faster than I deal damage to these enemies. I can't.
Well, you should give them a raise.
Heal more.
Like a raise, you know.
I think you should one-shot the healers, then they couldn't be able to heal shit, you know?
Mm. How can I set default on the push constants? Can I set default values?
No.
You
Like,
can
impossible.
before you push them.
What did I do before I push them?
Yeah, so in the renderer in Vulkan, the whole thing happens. You just assign default values there before you push it.
Bro, but
so
You cannot
just assign it to
there-
the structure, bro. Yes, you can have default values. Lucas doesn't know.
Can you have default on an extern?
Okay, in slang, can I just do it in slang?
In slang,
not?
nah.
Can do what in slang? What?
Default values.
For what?
For push
for-
constant.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but
No,
no,
you
because
can't.
that's thing that is being pushed. But on the client side, or the host.
Yes, external structures can have defaults. Yes.
They can. I
Okay,
didn't know they could.
so
Lucas, you don't use defaults unless you do the default as undefined, which you do for literally everything.
I
Hey,
never,
wait,
I
yeah,
never
hold on,
use
I want
defaults. Yeah, I don't know what you're on about.
wait, wait,
Okay,
wait,
I
wait.
use
I want to make it
sometimes.
explicit. The default is null. Okay, I want to make that explicit. Okay,
The default is
Hey.
no.
make no mistake.
Yeah. No,
No,
but
just kidding.
Lucas,
Okay, no.
the only time Lucas uses defaults is if he does like a structure, right? And then he assigns every single field to be the default of undefined. Like, bro, you just assign
Hey,
undefined.
it's so based though. It's
No,
so
it's
you can't even
it's absolutely retarded.
I am so fucking
Yeah,
based.
it-
See, Auditrop
you're
gets
genius.
it. I don't know what Harold is on about, guys. He's
because you're trolling. Because he's trolling. You're taking him seriously, and he's just trolling you.
Lucas
That's why.
isn't trolling. Lucas is just trolling himself, which is unironically trolling everyone else as well.
He is though. He is trolling. He is always trolling.
Himself.
I don't know what you guys are on about, but I'm just saying that undefined is best. I like a little bit of randomness in my game, you know?
You wanna know what undefined actually is behind the scenes?
It's defined.
No, it's just that they it actually is. They just
Yeah.
define is a random value,
Exactly.
like
So-
in LLVMIR.
Yeah, no, it's just a defined value. Yo, what's up, pig? How are you?
It's actually 67. That's what undefined is.
The golden words.
Yeah, totally.
Make no mistakes. Yes, let's make no mistakes.
Make no mistakes.
Guys, my finger's not working.
Your fingers are not
Why?
working. Well, stop,
Your
stop cracking your fingers. Stop cracking your fingers.
Cracking them.
Yes.
Okay, wait.
I ain't clicking my fingers.
Wait, I'm fucking this up. Wait, stop cracking
Yes,
your
Lucas,
fingers
Lucas.
and start fingering your crack.
No.
Okay, bro.
Okay, wait. With Vulkan,
Bro.
and then we have what
This became
shade.
R-rated.
Where do I put the
fast.
default values for the shader thing so that everything doesn't look ugly by default?
What did you say?
Oh no, don't do that. Lucas doesn't like that kind of style. He wants it to be ugly.
There, I really don't care.
What?
How I do this, I have the data on the CPU and I just like basically upload it every frame and then you do this and that and
Ah,
that.
now I see the problem.
Yes, you, Lucas. Yes, I knew it.
Okay, let me just
I got
control
it.
I
that.
need to do this
thing,
also
this thing,
here,
since you don't
otherwise
know
it
where
will
they are.
never
Just
send
let me just
the-
alt F4.
That was the problem all along. Did that hot
And
load?
it's it.
The server lib got hot loaded. Good. So this should now. Yay, it works! The cooldown works! Woo!
Bro, cool down.
Nah.
Yeah, look,
Nah.
now it works both
the
for
hell
the
is that
primary and the
noise,
utility
bro?
skill.
Can
Oh,
someone clip
Lucas.
it, please? Clip it. Can
Clip
someone
it.
clip that, please?
Bro, this UI is bro, this UI is actually too good.
It's too good, I know.
Lucas, I know this looks awful, but okay, yes, I have an idea. Lucas, you know, currently you're loading like many functions per library, right? Like the renderer, you probably have multiple functions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But what if you had like Vulkan and you used to like get proc address?
Well, I do have that.
No, like when you load the client,
Yeah.
when you load the client, yeah, you load like a function from the library, which is getting addresses of the actual functions.
Mm-hmm.
But isn't that just loading the DLL?
No,
Yes.
because you see, the functions have to be like foreign interface, like compatible, like external and shit and
Why?
disgusting.
Wait, what? Wait, what are we?
Because
can't
that's
you
how
do that
Linux
dynamically?
works.
Huh.
Well, I don't know how
No,
they
but,
are
you know-
on Windows either way.
Same shit, different story. But okay, like if we have the proc tables right now, right? What if we just remove that and just had like get like proc address, right? And you call that, and then you get the actual functions like the render, and then you don't have to make an external version of it.
Mm.
But do you have to do that every time you want to call the function now, or do you
No,
say
you can. No. Because what you basically do is you load one function via the DL like lookup, right? And then with that function, you load the actual stuff now.
Okay, so
Right.
that one retrieves you the function, but how does that one?
Yeah.
How would that one provide you those
Um,
things?
Well, it's the same thing. Then you do like, well, actually no, it's you would have to implement this one function which is exported, right? So
Yeah,
you would
yeah.
do like export function, like I don't know, get proc, right? And then you would maybe just like give it a name or an ID or something.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, and then it would just return the function pointer.
Where
And then I
is-
guess, yeah, and then when you hot reload the library again, but then you would have to get all of the functions either way, but I guess it would get rid
Yeah.
of the...
Like it's the same thing, except we don't have to do like a syscall on Linux, and
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
not
one
actually sure if it's
syscall
syscall. I
for
think-
getting the first
Yeah,
initial one.
only one syscall, right?
Yeah.
But the real advantage is that we can have now functions that aren't exported. We can just have normal functions.
I see, I see. I guess that would also be... Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Or
actually...
you know what? We could actually have a function. We could just do it like this. That we just have the get, instead of having a get proc address exported, we just have a get proc table, right? Which just returns a table with the functions already. Even easier for you,
It's always a bit scary though with function pointers, but...
But it's the same shit, just better,
As long as you just remember to update those function pointers, but you could
But
always...
we
just-
still
so
we
in,
do that already, but it's just via the deal.
Yeah,
mock-up
the...
things.
But that one happens automatically when there's a reload,
When
because
there's
I just...
Yeah, but when the reload happens, it's not really much logic you have to care about, really.
Yeah, I mean, if you just made it like a default that you always provide some kind of setup that you have to set up for it to work, I guess you couldn't really fuck it up.
But
because that's...
it isn't that much more setup. It's like basically the same.
I mean, we could, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you like a little example here.
Yeah.
Now you would also be able to return errors, but errors aren't really valid throughout unless you do the compiler flag, which I guess you can do.
Wait, good, how about you, Lukiki boy? Nobody's called me that before. No, it's good. We are doing pretty good progress here today.
But are we really doing it?
We are doing good progress. I want $1 million. Why jump has that big ass delay? It has big delay.
Anyways, look at this.
There is just no jump animation, so it's hard to tell when you're jumping.
I guess you could do that. Oh shit, I left the oven on. I need to make some pizza and eat a little bit.
Yeah,
Wow,
do that.
do that.
eating,
Yeah.
man.
I'm
Can I
working
have
on it.
some?
I'm working on it. Okay,
want-
I'm gonna get the fucking cyborg body or something.
Can you have some, bro?
I want
Can I
$1
have
million dollars. Build me a project and no mistakes. I
Yeah.
want 1 million only.
I'll do you one better. I'll let you listen to me describe how it tastes. Okay, I'll be back.
Oh,
in a
that
little
sounds
bit.
awesome.
Bro's gonna become like a
the-
wine connoisseur. He's gonna smell it, and then he's gonna touch it, and then he's gonna rub it,
And he's gonna tell where the dough is from Italy or...
Yeah, exactly. He's gonna say that it's like has an exquisite aftertaste. Or
Yeah.
some shit.
Wait, what was I supposed to do? Yeah, cooldowns. We just need some cool
You're
textures.
supposed to look at the thing I sent you.
Yeah, that as well. Proc table, render init.
Is just an example,
And then start. Okay, and then get proc table and then render init. Okay. And that's the extern. Ah, okay, I see. So then you would
Yes.
have all of the functions there. Ah, yeah. I mean, it could. Yeah, it should work.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't really.
Yeah, no, it should be fine. Would be fine.
And then we can have, non-exported functions, basically. Because, I mean,
Whoa.
we don't really care about modularity with other languages now, do we?
Not that much. Well, I mean, it would still be modular. The initial one.
Well, but they would have to replicate, like, Zig, then,
Yeah. No, but that could work. That could work. I see that. I could see that. Oh yeah, T-Chef, how do you do padding for the elements?
Yeah, the elements
Um,
like fire, water, wind, earth. Like how do you do
And
that?
they-
Uh,
What?
Yeah, the elements.
Ah,
The
crap.
4 elements.
it really depends on the element type. Like,
Yeah, it's like fire, water.
Oh my god,
earth.
somebody.
Yeah.
It kind of depends, you know.
Okay.
Like fire doesn't have
This-
that much
It's
padding.
rage bait.
like I
Water's
mean,
like
how do
no
you
padding.
do your layout even? Like, I have really no
I think
idea.
it's pretty much
Yeah,
similar, but
your layouts.
right. Wait, let me show you because I do it manually right now. The
Oof,
padding.
oof.
Yeah,
damn.
Lucas is oof.
I
I sent some.
I just do extra padding by wait. I have what the fuck did I do? This is the initial one, right, with the gap of 10, and then I just put offset 5 on all of these to get that basic. I wonder, do you do it that is it that simple? Just put a offset to basically half of the padding.
Bro, Lucas, I have it way simpler.
How the
Lucas,
I mean,
Lucas really doesn't. You know, think harder, not smarter. That's what Lucas does.
okay, well, you don't want to be smart, do you now?
Yeah,
Lucas,
no.
watch my stream.
What's your stream? Can I share your scream?
No,
I cannot share
Yeah,
your
can you
screen.
share your screen?
no, you can.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a T there. There's a can't.
Yeah, so like my UI is pretty not clean up right now.
Pragma ones. Bro isn't coding C70.
But I have many passes, right? One of them is this UI open, which you call to open an element, right?
Mhm.
This basically just adds stuff, blah blah, doesn't really do anything.
Mhm.
The thing where it begins something is the UI close, because here it basically, do you also have a UI close or not? To close
Yeah, I
an
do
element?
have start and close.
Yeah. So what you can hear is basically, because UI is often like a tree, right? You have this container, and then in here, let's say you have this, which is a child node of this one.
Yeah.
And let's say you have another one, which is the children also of this one.
Yeah.
Let's say you have one here, which is then the children of this one,
Yeah.
right?
We
Yeah.
don't know how much Lucas likes children.
Yeah. And so what this
Talking
does
about
on UI
boys.
close, what you have here is a great a great opportunity to do this, to traverse the tree backwards, right?
Mhm.
Because you open an element, right? Then you open the child element, and then you close the child element. So here, and then you close the parent element. So
Mhm.
here you can walk on on the children nodes. This will be called first, and then on the parent nodes. So because what this can do with fit,
Wait,
you can easily do stuff.
I don't
Yeah.
do open and close on them. I just have basically I add them in on the
Fine,
arrays. I just have an array of them, so I can traverse backwards or forwards, and I can based on that.
So you don't even have a tree.
No, I just have an array. Well, they do.
That's
They do.
pretty cool.
They do.
Not like you need a tree.
No, they do still have like an index to their parent and their children. So you can find them by that, but they are all
Okay,
in
I
array.
see.
But basically, all of the parents, like if you start from let's say you append to the from left to right. So if you pick a child on the right, the parent can only exist to the left. It cannot be to the right. So I just for loop in that sense most of these things.
Yeah, you know, there's actually a actual structure for this called something that I don't remember.
And you
Like
know,
a
arrays are just superiors, cache line and everything. Great. So let's move on.
Cache line applies when you do random indexes.
You don't do
Yeah,
random
I'm
indexes.
using array, but I randomly indexed in a 1 million big array. But
you-
the cache, bro,
what?
cache efficiency. Just
Yeah.
saying. Nah.
Bro, you don't have to do jumping here. You can just go straight from right, left to right, or right to left.
What is a hash map? What is a hash map? Well, it's an array, right? But then you index it with
You don't
based on
need
like a hash.
map here. You can just go straight.
No,
Yeah.
I'm just saying, what is a hash map, right?
But bro,
It is
okay,
basically
but
a
Lucas-
hash.
with this, with going from backwards and forwards, you just need an array. You don't even need to know who's the parent. Okay, you didn't.
But a hash
Lucas.
map is just an array too.
Yeah.
Lucas.
Yeah.
How do you when are you doing positioning and when are you doing sizing? Like, do you even have them separate
They are
passes?
separate. They're separate. Yeah. But I want to know
So you
how
first do sizing and
how yeah Sizing first.
And
yes.
what sizing do you have? Only fixed.
Fixed and percent, but percent is basically fixed, just with some extra
Yeah.
fancy stuff.
Actually, percent is not that easy if you had other sizings, but
yeah, no, but
Um,
yeah, I don't do that.
So I have this one right here, the draw helper. So this is basically the last time the sizing is clear here. This is only the positioning, right? And what I'm doing here is for the children, I have this offset, which I just say, depending if it's layer to right, it's padding left or padding top, right?
Wait.
And-
can I read the chat real quick? Sorry, can you go back?
I have this offset, right? This is where it starts, right?
Yeah,
In the parent container.
yeah.
Depending on which layout it is, it's padding left or padding top, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we just go for the children. You don't need to look at this one. But then, so here we basically just have this child position. We add the parent's position, right? Because the children's
why
position
do
is.
you layout to right? Why do you have a root padding left or top? Does it even? Shouldn't there just be one kind of padding? Does it matter? Can some child have different kind? No, wait. Every child inside of the same thing should have the same padding. I'm just trying to read your root padding left.
Yeah. And here we loop over children. This is the padding of the parent.
Yeah, but all of the children gets the same kind of. Why would you? Wouldn't it
What do
just
you
be
mean?
enough to have padding? Do you need to specify left or top? Because
Yeah, because you can have more padding left and more padding right.
But okay, in
On
what
top.
case would if you have layout to right, and if it is, you have padding left, right?
Lucas, watch this. Let me make element, right? So let's say here I'm making this one. I'm making width I will make row, right?
Mm-hmm.
And height I will make fixed, let's say 48.
Mm-hmm.
And then color I will give it I don't know, my UI color 9. So this is how it looks right now then. It's this one here, right? This white element.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's say I'm adding a child to it.
Mm-hmm.
If I now make this child here, let's say width also grow, so that it will just be a max,
Mm-hmm.
and height also grow,
Mm-hmm.
and color, let's say UI color like 5, so darker.
Mm-hmm.
And now I could add padding, like pad all directions 12, let's say. So
Okay.
now there will be some padding, right?
Yeah.
Here, all directions equal. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the case you use most, but in some cases, let's say I want not all the same. Let's say I want left 12, right 12, and then top 4 and bottom 4. So now on the left and right, there won't be as much padding. On the left and right, there will be more padding than top and bottom, right?
Mm.
So you see, now you don't have as much padding at the top and bottom as you have on the right and left.
Oh yeah, but that's because you have grow that you need. But if I don't have grow, so I don't really need a.
You could still do percent. So grow here is the same as percent.
Yeah, no, but what I mean is that I cannot have if you only use fixed.
Yeah, but
Padding-
you have percent.
Yeah, but still, that if you so percent would then be excluded from the. Yeah, okay.
Percent would, in this case, act, if you do percent 1.0, it should act the same as the score here. If my percent is not broken, it should not be broken, but I just changed something here. So it should act the same. Yeah, you see, it acts totally the same. Percent 1.0.
How
here.
do you? But then, how does the align work here now? That was the thing I was in. Like which way
What
you align
align?
the layout.
Yeah, right. Because
Oh shit, my pizza.
the position of the children are all relative to its parent, right? That's the
yeah.
key. So in this case, for example, I don't even say the position. I could say position relative, and then I could say 5 here, 5x and here. So now I would actually add a 5 pixel offset. Let's do 20, so it's more noticeable. So now I would add an artificial offset. So you see, it's 20 pixels to offset to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but in most cases it just says 0, right? In which case, like you don't really have an option. And how I do it is basically in this one where I draw the children, right? Like my UI draw function is this one here, where I'm passing the root element, right? There's only one root element because it's a tree. Then I resolve sizes like row and percent.
Yeah.
Then I call draw helper on the root, and then for every children I also call draw helper. And draw helper is this function, right? Which just here it draws the parent right now, the element you're right now drawing, and then it looks this is now for text, is a little bit more. But then it looks if it doesn't have children, it returns here, and so everything from here is children. Then you basically get the offset like of the layout, which is basically the padding, right? Because if you are at the parent, let's say you have the padding of 12 here, you don't want to start at 0, 0, right? You want to move 12 to the right, so you start here. Yeah. So you get that offset, you grab that, and then you gotta now, because when drawing the children, they should be in absolute positions, right? It should be to absolute to this point here, 0, 0, right? Yeah. So what first you do is you add the parent's position to the child position, right? So the child position equals like v to add parent's position plus child position. So if the child position is 0, it will just be equal to the parent's position.
Yes.
If it's like something else, it will just add that offset, right? Then
okay, I see. Yeah.
this is now a little bit complicated because I have like these alignment stuff with like top, bottom,
Yeah.
But basically, it's always okay. This is really not nice to see here, but here in the layer 2 right, every child will basically get layered out to here, and the only thing you want to align here, let's say, is if you have this container, and if you have half-sized children like this, you wouldn't want to align them center. What you would do is you would say, okay, should they be here, y-axis, in the middle, or at the bottom? So this just all does y, right? But you don't need to worry about y. What I'm doing here is I'm just adding the offset to x, right?
Yeah.
So I'm adding the parents. And actually, I think this should actually be under this. Though I mean, maybe not because it worked. Yeah, no, it should be not under this. Right, because on the first iteration, yeah, no, my bad. So basically, at the first iteration, you only add the padding to the children. After that, you increase the offset by the children width plus the gap each children should have. And then you just continue to the next child, right? So you have this offset one, which just stays all for all children. So when you have this container, you have the first here. So you first draw a child here. Then you increase this offset by the children thing, so it's here. Then you draw the next child here. Then you increase it again.
Yeah,
so
but
it's
the
here.
thing I was wondering about the padding is that it's how does it, because okay, wait, if you have a fixed size, padding should move the thing, like let's say from top left and top right a bit in or like down, yeah. But if you have something that is fill or fit, then it should remove size from the thing, because if it's how it.
But it will also move it.
So wait, it moves it. Yeah, okay, yeah, it moves it, but it also removes. Oh my god, that's so weird.
Yeah.
So you. Oh wait.
Bro, trust me, this is a little like also this code is very hard. Like what hard, bro. But it's really hard to look at it because it's so cooked. I mean, it's UI, so I don't really. If it works, it works.
If it works, it works. It looks pretty legit though.
But you don't know, the biggest problems are like when you get some things that are not easy to decide. For example, let's say you have a grow container here, right? That wants to expand. But if your parent is fit, right? The parent tries to be as small as possible. Like, how do you handle this case, right? Like, I still don't know.
Didn't the Clay video talk about how to do this case?
I think I have like a clay one.
Yeah.
No,
I meant like
just I know, but I have like clay playground here where I test how clay behaves, right? And I think in that case it actually just doesn't do anything right here. I have fit, clay size and grow percent. Yeah, this one has fit, right? this one has fit in the parent, and then percent in the bottom.
Mm.
And I think it really just, I don't know, like it gets this weird. It doesn't get the right. You see, it only has this top one.
Yeah, I mean, it is kind of interesting. Like, how would you resolve something that wants to be a small...
Like, but there is no right answer to this because it's like really just
I mean,
don't know,
doesn't it
interpretation.
also, like CSS, when you use that, if you try to give it something that doesn't... You need, like, something that has a defined size before you start working with percentages, because otherwise you will not...
Yeah, that's the hard part because when you have fit, grow, like all the sizings I have are these ones, right? I have none, fit, fixed, percent, grow.
Yeah.
Um,
What's a non-size? Oh, you don't just...
Yeah, none. I just needed to add it for yeah, because I have like an aspect ratio thing. So what I have support for, right, is let's say you want something to always keep the same aspect ratio. For example, in my case here, it's like this checkbox here, right? This should always be square. Doesn't matter how small. So what I could do is I could only specify the width, for example, and then have a like dot aspect ratio. Just say 1.0, and then it will be automatically okay, wait, it's your color for persons. I mean, it didn't work. Yeah,
Happens.
but that's because probably like I just added this recently. I still need to debug a lot.
Okay,
Because we should see here something with, yeah. The problem is always that you have those separate passes. The fit one is basically what you do on close. But the really tricky ones are these ones in the UI draw helper here. Size resolve. Like holy shit, this basically for percent sizing is this here. When you do grow sizing, and this is all just grow. And it's bad, man. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember watching the video about from Clay about grow. I was like, I don't really want to make grow. I don't really need grow.
Not gonna grow was really easy. Adding percent to it is actually no with this setup it's fine. But the problem I have, you see this here update aspect ratio, which should keep it in line actually, but
But okay, that's fire. I'm gonna have to look into that. I still want to fix one thing about the equipments before, because the equipment should also have the cooldown.
But like, how do you like on you have the UI draw as well, I guess, right?
I have very simple one. I just have fixed and percentile. Like if I go to my UI.
Yeah, but your UI draw, how does it look like?
Oh, the draw one?
Like, where do you do the positions of the elements? The position
So,
pairs of a UI?
Here. So I do sizes, and let's see, positions. This one is my positions.
Yeah, because it should be very easy to add. Yeah, you have offset left, offset top. The horizontal.
But I don't do anything yet with the... I don't know, I haven't started even with the fill or grow.
Yeah, but I mean,
is it
but
a
your
lot
padding
harder?
works.
Like, in which stage would you put it?
No, you would need to make separate ones.
You would separate?
You would need, like, for fit. What you need for fit is like reverse tree traversal.
Okay.
And for percent and grow, you need like you go from the top.
You mean like, can you say from children to parent or parent to children?
Yeah, grow is from parent to children, and
Okay.
fit is from children to parent.
Wait, I'm gonna write that down because I want to remember that when I get to do... What did grow from parent to children?
Yeah.
To children.
Because if you think about it, right, you don't, if you have grow, you don't know the size of it till you resolve it. So
Yeah.
if you start with children, you can't be able to tell how much it should grow because you don't know the size of the parent if it's grow. So you need to resolve that first. For fit, it should be the smallest possible size to fit the children. So if you do the parent first, you don't know how big the children is, so you can't fit it yet.
Okay.
Okay, Not gonna lie, I hate those though. Like I really don't like it.
No, I don't.
But
think
what I
either, but-
hate more is text. Text is even worse.
Wait. I wanna now do this. Have been abrupt. Thank you though. Thank you for the guide. Now I need to focus on this thing. I've been trying to get it. Let's see here. The cooldown. So I wanna do this. I wanna take this thing, and it's this last. Should it be the last one? I will do the last one until somebody says that it shouldn't be the last one. Gonna do that, and we're gonna take, call it name, equipment. Hope nothing else is called equipment. Probably not. And then in here we can now do that. If it is equipment, this thing would actually fit now inside of equipment. Let's see, size, offset, screen, name, color. Yeah, so the parent could become equipment there, and there will be no offset on it, and the size will actually be a right, the cooldown. We'll see. Percent 1 with 1. And then we don't need the equipment size any longer. We can get rid of that. And then let's see, color, name, kind, texture. Yes, child. Yeah, that's for text. Children. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's get the equipment. It should get into the right spot there. No. Yes. Boom. It's gone. Great. But it should draw on there. Let's see if I use it. Does it say? No, it doesn't say shit. Just gone. Just gone. Interesting. Do I still put it somewhere? Let's see. Size. Did a typo? Equipment. No, there's no typo. Percent new color, name, asset texture should work. Should work. Interesting. Nothing. Let me see. Quick CD client did build. Did it build? Oh, it didn't build. Maybe. Let's see. Nothing. Weird. But I do have it, right? Yeah, things fall down right now because or stop moving because I'm activating it. Oh, wait, let me try. No, that thing is like at least there, so that's pretty good. Let's stop spawning stuff. Why? Oh, but could it be? Oh, I see. Both of them are child of the same thing. Shit. How could I make this? We could. This would be funny. We could do this. Name. Test. No, let's change this one to test. God. See. There it is. And well, it's just that one thing, but still funny. Okay. So if I don't do this, and I take this, I put it there, so that should now be at least normal when it auto-loads that thing. Yeah, there it is. So, I guess this would now be part of this one instead. That's a bit.
Guys.
Tell us.
How do you call the enter key? Do you call it return or enter?
Enter.
Harold. Yeah.
How?
Harold. Harold is the
Enter.
one who did that thing.
How do you call it?
Enter.
Enter.
Okay. Because I wanted to call it enter, and then I saw that SCL calls it return. Because I think
still
also
is,
that's
yeah, but the still is retarded. So.
We don't use that word in here.
Okay, still is the R word.
Yeah, the hard R.
no SCL is kind of goated though, not gonna lie.
No. Mods, kill this guy.
Yeah.
He used
yeah,
the
there
heckin'
is-
wrong graphics library. It's not a graphics library.
Yeah.
STL is only for losers who don't want to implement their own Vulkan renderer.
I put the
I'm
cooldown
doing
on the
my own
number
Vulkan
instead of the
renderer.
actual thing. Holy shit, that's bad. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's put this thing.
Don't you want to make your own half-baked Vulkan renderer?
What is this? SpongeBob.
Bruh.
It's freaking fire.
Let's see.
Wait, should this not be fine? Am I stupid or something? Don't answer
Not
that.
Stupid.
Stupid. Where's that then? I think this should be fine. Yeah, okay, now. Well, that's still fucked. How is it so fucked? Oh, because the two occupies the same. No. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Wait, why am I calling it? I'm a donkey.
I'm an island boy.
I've been trying to make it.
I'm trying to
That's
make.
that's not what they are saying.
I'm trying to.
Are they? Wait, I swear they are make it there.
No.
Ich bin island.
They're saying mate.
Wait, what the fuck?
Oh, what?
I think so.
What?
This-
Oh my
Yeah.
I might be. Or I might. I don't know. I might be dumb as
Bro,
well.
you
but-
island
So,
boy.
nah, they don't say make
Bro.
it. They definitely don't say make it.
yeah,
It sounds like me.
I don't know, bro.
An
Nah.
island boy, island boy.
I'm an island
Bro.
boy and I'm trying to write C.
We are literally the only people keeping those people alive, bro. I swear.
Oh my god, yeah. We stop thinking about them, they stop existing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to start.
Bro, I should speed literally got a coach.
Yo, actually, Speed died for real
Coach.
this time. Like, he actually died, dude.
Yeah,
Did you hear
bro,
about it?
Yeah, bro, I saw it. But they're good again. They're pretty good.
Guys, I accidentally made a swastika. This is not good.
How do you
What?
accidentally do
Oh, it's fast. Oh.
oh. T-Chef did not.
Yeah. I did not mean to. It just
Just happened.
reflexes.
Yeah, your German lessons came to control.
Yeah.
German. Nah, bruh. Why can I not just get this right, brother?
Lucas, can you say
Island boy.
Planetary Sigma ist ein sehr gutes Game?
Oh, das nicht falsch.
Is Planetary Sigma is what?
Ein sehr gutes Spiel.
A then good as
Ich bin
beer.
raw cooked. Cooked. I'm cooked.
You
Damn,
gotta-
bro. I swear, Harold, is his pronunciation more cooked than my Finnish one?
Wait, can you say it again?
Which what? I cannot say that again. You need to say what was I supposed to say again? Say T-Chef. Tell me what was.
Planetary Sigma ist ein sehr schönes Spiel.
Schön.
The insurance.
Planetary
Nej.
Sigma is your vid
Inga tyst jävlar i mitt
Yeah.
Okay,
that's-
what do I need to say in Finnish?
What do you need to say
Like
in
perkele.
Finnish? No, come on.
That's the only finish you need.
Perkele?
What the hell is this? Get out.
Nah, but give me like a sentence, because with one word it's hard, you know.
You.
Jag har ingenting emot invandrare, men...
Bro, no. Don't go there. No.
Ett
Lagom.
steg för långt. Inte i mitt Sverige. Inga tyskar.
Bro, it's the average SD voter, I swear.
Mm. I wish, bro. I wish the SD were that based. They're not, though.
Yeah, no, sadly not, man. They gotta really cook. Or else, you know.
Yeah, no, I think I'm voting for the party that makes
Hey,
good
hey, we're
decisions.
not-
Join my party.
Good.
I
good
only vote
night.
Miljöpartiet.
You don't
so that
vote
Good
nothing
night,
Good
good
happens.
you're
night,
not
penguin
voting
operator.
it.
I should also be
Lol.
going real soon.
No.
I'm just.
Exactly, but bro,
I just
you should
wanna get
always
this one thing.
vote the Greens. You know, Green is the best because they do nothing.
Nah, that's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I love
no,
doing
I'm
nothing.
For Sossarna, I think I'm gonna vote for Socialdemokraterna based.
Jak kann
Yes.
Planetary Sigma sehr gerne. Oh wait, I'm
Ser Gerne, what the?
Sigma-partiet.
What is my guy saying?
Right,
Ser
right.
Gerne, bro. What?
How,
What is my guy on?
I'm actually kind of like, I don't know, my brain is not braining right now.
Jak gila stark
Planetary.
Planetary Sigma. Planetary
What, I mean,
Sigma.
you basically what? You like Planetary Sigma strongly or what? Bro, I don't know, man. Maybe retire on the Swedish. Yes.
Wait.
Yeah.
Jak Kenna and Dupe coupling till Planetary Sigma.
Kenneth, inte not Kenneth.
Yeah.
Kenneth.
The Shannon and
Nah.
Dupe coupling till Planetary Sigma. Wow. That's
Oh,
pretty good.
he
That's-
feels a deep connection.
yeah. It's a-
Yeah, no, bro, you don't. Bro is it's meat riding, as Lucas learned yesterday.
Oh, right, yeah.
Hey, what the fuck, bro?
What is?
I just realized
We
that
did.
this
we
is
did
a
teach you
quite
that,
of an
so.
interesting problem that I have.
Nerd,
which I-
nerd.
The only way I can think of solving this
Planetary
is...
Sigma verre en Sig.
Oh, it's worse than Sig.
Based, finally.
For real.
Mask off.
Okay, this is the way I will have to do it. Let's see. As soon as
Well,
no, still nothing. But now numbers. Fuck. Oh my god. How am I supposed to do this?
Harold, but wait, my Swedish, I think it's valid.
I think it's
Like
your Swedish is better than
3
Harold.
out of 10. What?
Plus 7.
Better than my Swedish. Yeah, true.
But I get +5 for the willpower.
For gorilla power. Yeah.
No, not really.
Is that not how it works?
No, certainly not. That's only in Planetary Sigma.
What?
There's
Well,
very-
the Planetary
very
Sigma
SD
World,
and-
I'm the cool one. How about them apples?
Do I actually
Yeah,
have to create
yeah,
like a? This is so weird. I need to layer stuff on top of each other, and automatically this does
That's
not.
hard, man.
Do you have like absolute position or something like that inside relative to another item, so they don't.
Another item.
So they
What's-
don't add it as a
what?
child.
Bro, what
Yeah,
are you
that's
saying,
weird.
Lucas? Not the item.
So.
What is my guy adding to his
I
game?
don't
bro?
understand. We get it, bro.
A lot of confusion because I could only think of like adding more of the same or like children that are
More of the
no-
same, yeah, that's
that
EA.
has
Like,
no size, and then just basically using those as points or anchors to. Well, I find that stupid as fuck.
yeah, that's dumb.
When is Planetary Sigma 2 coming out?
Yeah.
What's the real name of the game gonna be, by the way?
It's Planetary,
Planetary
Sigma.
Sigma.
What? Wait, that's the working. I thought that was a working title.
If something else comes
Yeah, that's what I
along,
thought.
then I will change. But right now, I think it's pretty fire, so I'm keeping it.
I don't think.
But you need something that's authentic.
Well, it's pretty
Yeah.
authentic. I'm just saying.
Maybe Planetary Sigma. You know, it has C in the name.
Ooh, that's no. That's not good.
That is good. I think.
Damn.
Do you have a absolute position or something like that, relative, or that when you add
A relative absolute position.
Base.
Do you have that?
I'm talking to
Can I get
teacher.
Yeah, my name is Tishef.
Shut the fuck.
Bro, you can.
Actually, my
He
name
has.
is
He has
Dr.
it. The
Teacher.
answer is yes, Lucas. He has it. You just have to ask him, or you have to ask the right questions, and he will. He's hiding it. Okay.
I'm
will find
asking
it.
him, but this goddamn Harold is.
Who?
Oh my god. Wait.
He's trolling the shit
I
out of
mean
you,
the
and you're
one-
falling for it. Yeah, I know.
I mean, what the fuck?
You are the one.
I mean, the one and only cheesecake. No, that's it.
What the fuck? I am no.
Oh, what? Lucas is the one.
No, I'm talking to the one and only cheesecake right now.
He fucking he pre-watched it, what he was gonna say or some shit. They knew what
Who?
we were gonna say that.
So the one and only cheesecake. Tell me.
No, bro.
Ha-
Wait, really?
Is there? How do you have an absolute position shit stuff for
Tell us, cheesecake.
the one and only cheesecake?
Tea cake. I think it should be called tea cake.
It should be called but with Michael Jackson, of course.
Mikey Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Mikey.
Just Mikey.
Don't you remember Mikey Jackson?
This boss might be quite
favorite.
impossible to.
Mickey Jackson?
Ah,
Yes.
Yeah,
Like Mickey the
Jackson.
Mouse. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite
I'm
artist.
stunning the healers right now so I can kill the boss.
That's very stunning of you.
Thank you. Because otherwise they will start
Yeah,
healing.
do one
it,
more.
but- there, boom.
Boom. Yeah, bro, swat this guy.
So what?
Google. Bottom. Okay.
What are they healing? Are they trying to heal each other, but they're so far away that they can't?
Yo, Alexa, when is Planetary Sigma coming out? Oh, 2027. Oh.
No, there should be a.
Way
coming
too
soon.
soon, bro.
The stun is the best
The
part
game
in
is
the
not-
game right now.
The game is never going to be finished, guys. It's never coming out.
Now it's gonna be Swedish.
What the?
Base? Do you know the game conference in Skövde, Lucas? You should take the game there.
Yeah. Where
What-
Valheim is made.
Yeah.
Once the game is actually a game or done, I guess.
Bro, coming to Sweden.
It's never gonna be done.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I might
that's-
start.
But you get to a point where people at least pay money for it. So
I mean, it will
Yeah,
get to a
but
point
it
where
can make people
it will
play.
get to a point where I think it's done, and then I will just start the next one. I don't really care.
And then the game's gonna fall into like be unmaintained and terrible and unbalanced, and no one's gonna like it. And
This guy thinks you have to
Yeah.
make software that is maintainable forever.
EA be like, yeah, this guy, he wants maintainable software. What a freak.
What the freak?
that slows down development.
Oh, then back. What?
Exactly.
Anyways,
For some development.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
What are we
we
talking
need,
about?
we need audio. We need audio.
We are of course talking about
We have
YouTube.
I know
audio
you
right
do,
here.
bro.
Yeah, we got audio trope here.
Yeah. And no, we don't have audio. We have the trope of the audio.
The trope.
Yeah,
of
trope.
the- Sure.
What kind of audio do you need?
Yes.
Like SFX.
All.
Well, also music. Yeah, all.
What even is a trope? I guess like
Yeah.
Trope is a
the
common
story
pattern.
trope.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
How did you come up with the name? What's your history of the name?
Yeah, what's the history of
Well,
your name? Tell us your history.
His
The
real
history
name
of
is
my
actually
name
a fruit.
before it was tomat.
Tomat.
I think
It
it
was-
still kind of is if you look
It
at it.
is on Discord, yeah.
Yeah. So that's a history.
Wow, that's really deep.
So
I know.
Harold, what's your name's history? I think your name very deep. Yeah.
My name,
Yeah.
yeah, it's really
Maybe
deep.
new
It's like...
terrain. Yeah, terrain. Yeah, we are working on
Lucas,
the new.
what's the story behind your name?
Which one of them?
It all
Lucas.
started when I was born.
Lucas.
Lucas.
Sure,
It's,
Bro,
it's,
it goes way back, bro. It goes way
it's
back.
not that deep.
Yeah.
It's pretty much from. It's a Spanish name. Yeah.
A Spanish name. Oh, really?
¿Cómo
Yeah.
estás, amigo?
This guy speaks Spanish now.
Señorita, actually.
Buenos dias.
Oh, okay.
Feliz Navidad.
Okay. No, okay, I'm coming to my end with my Spanish skills here, okay? We need to switch languages.
Oh yeah, let's speak
Mm.
Italian. It is Spanish,
Fuck.
but
I don't even know if
Yeah.
Buenos dias was Spanish, but yeah.
yeah, no, I think it is Spanish. Yeah.
Buenos dias, me gusta papas frias.
Damn, man, your Spanish skills.
Mine is as well.
We should ask. Oh, what's,
Iris.
yeah,
It's-
exactly, Iris. Yeah.
This looks like flowing shit balls. These things.
Yeah,
Yeah,
why
that's
did
the
you add
entire game.
balls?
Oh, I thought you were looking at your code.
Donde está la biblioteca? Me llamo
I think you get money too easily.
la araña discoteca.
CC.
CC.
Yeah.
Oui.
Okay, enough. Where is... You need to...
When are we adding like translations for Planetary Sigma? So it's actually, you know, what if you can't speak English?
No,
Okay,
it's
that's fine.
also hard coded. That's never happening.
If you can't speak English, I guess you know.
You know
it's
what's
too
funny?
bad.
You don't
Well,
deserve
she's,
Planetary Sigma.
When she's getting I made the 2D game, we actually like had support for languages, like for multiple languages, even though we were like not in the stage at all. We had like, I don't know, basic multiplayer, but we had like support for Russian and English and German.
But that's because you guys are so cool.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lucas, when are you adding Chinese? So you have another text rendering style.
Chinese, bro. What the fuck?
It's
Yeah, so your
called
text needs to go
Mandarin.
from bottom to top to bottom.
The Chinese doesn't exist, so it's already done.
True.
It's called Mandarin.
Yeah.
Malware?
Malware.
What about traditional Chinese? What does that mean when I select that in my language?
That means that you're used to using Duolingo and that
You're
you're not
ancient.
gonna be able to speak
And
with
pirate language? Pirate speak?
from Minecraft.
For
Yeah.
Bozo.
Yeah. The topic
Bowser?
game from 2010.
Back when I had French in school, I actually would have
When you
my
had
Minecraft
friends?
in it.
Oh, you don't have friends anymore?
Whoa.
Bro, I had my Minecraft as in French, so I would learn
Oh.
stuff.
That's pretty good.
That's really dumb.
Uh,
I would never.
This guy don't know how the struggle of learning languages.
Lion.
Bro, what do you mean? Bro, Lucas. I literally had German, okay?
Is German hard?
Uh,
I don't think so. I understood it's pretty similar to Swedish.
Is the Lucas
yeah.
Bozo
And?
fucking Blender model up on the repo?
What?
no.
Is the Ben Bozo model up on the repo?
It is in the GLB.
In
Sure.
the GLB,
Oh, on the GLB,
Yeah.
got you.
on the
Okay,
home
great.
on the home network Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and add Doom to it real quick since we got the Turing complete 3D, format now. So yeah, GLTIF 2.
The heck, the game looks better, exactly. See, somebody gets it. Harold's just a hater.
Yeah,
Who
the
said
enemies are
that?
so detailed. I
Who
love
said that?
balls.
Someone
love
I also said that.
balls.
They last watched from the future.
Nah.
Okay, let's look. Assets.
I'm just chilling right now. That that item still hasn't gotten its textures, and you shouldn't be able to get multiple equipments, but that's okay.
Oh, you want text? Actually, yeah. Let's whip up a texture. Let's do texture stream.
Whip. What is my guy on, bro?
Yeah, watch this. Okay, you're gonna
We're not
blow your
gonna-
fucking minds. I'm also best, probably in this part of probably in all of Sweden at this program. Okay.
What
What's it called?
program?
Substance Designer. All right. This fucking program. It's by Adobe. All right. So it's deep warlock magic shit. Okay.
That's true.
And yeah, and
Can it
let's have a look
even
at
kill
it.
me this thing? Pretty much unkillable.
Yeah, Apocalypse.
Have so fast
Okay.
regen. A regen faster than the boss.
Mm.
That's crazy.
Let's see. So this thing is pretty crazy. They implement like their own bytecode, and like you basically build a little program that describes material, and so your material can be animated and shit. It's pretty nutty.
Pretty naughty, yeah.
Yeah. So let's make an output here. So we can have like, can you, Lucas? Can you export a model of your? Actually, it doesn't matter. Why don't we just do you have? Is there a texture input for the ground? Like, how would you put a texture on the as the ground?
The
if you
ground
wanna
doesn't
have
have. Well, it does have UVs, so if you provided a texture, we could put textures on it. Text as
Well,
atlas,
yeah, I
for
mean,
example,
yeah, I
or
just
something like that.
thinking of previewing it, but let's ignore that for now. We can have a. Let me see. We can have a. Let's see. Clouds 2 is goaded. Let's do. But this isn't reflective of the actual. This is more reflective of what the actual material can look like. So, let's do.
Stage 10, bro. This goes fast. Even though I'm using vanilla, I'm not doing cheating. I haven't even used the equipment. Woo!
Lucas, you have an objective to clear.
Yeah, I'm trying to find a teleporter.
Yeah, just hack and enable hitboxes. Nah.
I can. There's also a fate that teleports you to the teleporter.
Yeah, but should stay in game till last day.
Fractal Sunbase. Holy shit, this fucking. Yeah, okay, this one, yeah. So here. And also our output here is going to be like color, right? Yeah. Actually, yeah.
Okay. Still need to fix that weird shit where the camera just goes crazy inside of the ground. It's weird. A bit addicting. Alright. No, I'm gonna call it a day. We're gonna end the stream. And we'll continue tomorrow.
See you around, guys. Yeah.
Be around, yeah. Alright. Bye-bye, take care. See you later. Harold, do you want to do the outro?
What'd you say?
He don't want to do the outro, sadly.
No.